Hey guys, it's me, KZ, here with All You Need Is Love by Tanya Guerrero, a book that features culture, that features baking, that features, of course, love. It's all there in the title, but the premise of the book is that Alba, she's there on the cover with her short hair and all, who often gets confused for a boy, and there's plenty of that in there. But Alba is sent to live with her grandmother in Barcelona because her mother is concerned, her mother is afraid that Alba's father is going to abuse Alba beyond what he already has. She's not been in physical danger yet, but Alba's mother is. And so Alba gets sent to Barcelona to live with her grandmother for the summer at least. And there she must start over. She must start anew. She knows no one. She doesn't know the language. She doesn't really, like I said, remember her grandmother. So it's all there to figure out for her what her role is in this new place and what her role is even in her old place. Does her mom even want her, or is she also trying to get away from Alba? So, in the massive emotion that would entail, Alba is overcome and she ends up running away temporarily at her grandmother's house so that she ends up at a local bakery where she meets Tony. Tony is a baker who helps Alba to begin baking, and Alba kind of finds her place in this world of baking and meets some friends and establishes connections with her own culture, her various cultures. And this really is a book that features all sorts of motifs about starting over, about culture and language, about connection, family, friendship, even romantic relationships, and the different levels of those kinds of relationships that can even be like brother sister relationships beyond the confines of true bloodlines. So there's a lot to this. The subject matter does deal with that abuse, and so I would say that it's more of a 6th through 8th, a true middle grades novel. But it also could be readable for younger children in terms of the reading level, the writing level of it. So subject matter a little older because of that content, but the writing level probably 4 to 8. I will give this book a 3.5 out of 5. I enjoyed it, didn't love it, but it was definitely a book that I would say you should read it too. And so I'll say that to you now. Hey, you should read this too. Tell me what you think.